Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Standard Chartered app. So if you also want to update Standard Chartered app, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating your Standard Chartered application is very important. If you want to get the access to new features, you should definitely update the application. Also, it can help with improved security, bug fixes, performance enhancements, etc. So if you also want to update the Standard Chartered app, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the games interface. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now what you have to do is type in Standard Chartered, search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find the Standard Chartered application of various countries over here. Scroll down, find the application of your country. Once you find the Standard Chartered application of your country, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. Instead of open option, if you find the option for update, all you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your Standard Chartered application will be updated. But instead of update option, if you see open option over here, that means your application has been updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So like this, you'll be able to update the Standard Chartered application. So that is how you update Standard Chartered app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.